question on the matrix. Now the question says if the determinant of this matrix is equal to the determinant of this matrix, we're asked to find the value of x. To solve this question, we are asked that if the determinant of this now, when you are solving for the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, this is the two of them are 2 by 2 matrix because it has two rows and 2 columns. Now this one we have, that will be minus x times 1 minus 4x times 2 equals to 3 times minus 5 minus 4 times 3x. So from here we have minus x minus 4x times 2 give us 8x equals to 3 times minus 5 will give us minus 15, and minus 4 times 3x will give us 12x. Then from here you collect like terms. So from there we have, okay, minus x times minus x minus 8x will give us minus 9x, and this will give us minus 15 minus 12x. So this will come and meet this because they are looking alike. So we have minus 9x plus, when a negative sign is crossing an equal sign, it becomes a positive sign. So 12x equals to minus 15. Then minus 9x plus 12x will give us 3x. You are owing somebody 9 naira, you have 12 naira. When you pay your 9 naira, you are still left to 12 naira. That's why our answer is positive here. So that's minus 15. Then making x subject of the formula, you divide both sides by 3, the coefficient of x. So that means x is equals to minus 15 divided by 3. So that means x is equals to minus 5.